Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to continue our discussion or tutorial series about the mental calculation techniques for basic mathematics problems. So if you were not able to watch our previous videos, last time we actually had a tutorial on how to get the percentage of a number and how to multiply any two-digit or more numbers from 11 to 19. So today we're going to discuss squaring any two-digit number ending with 5. So when we say two-digit numbers, it means that we square 15 or 25 or 35 up to 95. So basically we have these examples. Suppose we want to get the square of 25. So what is the square of 25? Let me just change my pointer. So what is the square of 25? So we have to follow these two rules. Number one is to multiply the tens digit by the higher number. So here, as we know, the tens digit is the number 2. So according to rule number 1, we have to multiply the number 2 by the next higher number, which basically is number 3. So we have 2 times 3, so that is equal to 6. The next step is to write 25 at the right of the product from step number 1. So our step number 1 gives us or gave us 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. So we just have to write 25 beside 6. So thus we have 25 squared equals 625. How about 55 squared? So again, we have to apply the same rules. Okay, so we have the tens digit is 5 and multiply it with the next higher number, which is 6. So we have 5 times 6 is 30. And then we have to place 25 beside 30, which gives us 3025. So the square of 55 is 3025. How about the square of 85? So again, the same rule. So we have 8 times 9 is 72, and then we just have to place 25 beside 72. So we have 85 squared is 7,225. So I guess that's all. If you have some questions or clarifications about this video, you may send me an email or you may just have or write your suggestions or questions in the comment section.